Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, lunatics of all ages, it's time for a snack. Maniac Snack Weekly. Summer edition. Now, I love these little things. So, I got this one's a new one. But we're going to compare this and the ice cream version. Let's see what we think here. The second I seen these on the shelf, I was like, I'm going to try one of these. Now it says, according to the picture, it's showing it doing a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So the question is, does it wiggle? That's the first question. Here we go. Does it wiggle? It's supposed to be gummy pop. Will it wiggle? A little bit. Not much. Okay, it's got a little bit of wiggle to it. Now the real test. That's a very interesting consistency. I wasn't sure. So I'm trying to think how to describe it to you. It's like the old, like the red and blue, like the rocket pop type things, but softer. That is good. But we're gonna put that aside just a second because we did say we would compare. These aren't the originals. These are the newies. These definitely jiggle. These are sour. I knew it was sour, but man. Devour the sour trio. Yeah. Not a huge fan of sour. I love like the regular ones of these. These are sour. This, it takes that sour right away from me. Oh, that's so good. These are good. I don't know if this is like full-time new or if it's like a temporary thing. This one's grape strawberry. I think they had another flavor. Maybe I'll try that. Check out my channel. Like, subscribe. Check out the playlist. I got a playlist for just snack reviews and the summer series specifically. And see you next time.